Think of a percentage in your head. How many people do you think need to lose their job in order to trigger the AI tipping point? You're not going to like this. If the AI revolution turns everything upside down like the Industrial Revolution did, and why wouldn't it, then people are going to get replaced. We're already seeing that everywhere, so I'm not going to talk about that. Now, you could say, well, I just don't see a world where nobody has a job. And that's sort of the problem. It doesn't take everybody to lose their job in order to break the system. There are 7.8 million people driving taxis for Uber right now. Gemini told me that. And no, the irony is not lost on me. Now imagine Uber rolls out self-driving cars at scale. That's 7.8 million people without a job. And yes, Uber don't own cars right now, but that can change. Either way, the bigger point is that there are many sectors that are infinitely easier to replace. For example, support staff in banks. Every country has banks, every city has banks, every town has banks. Millions of people work in support. And that's something the banks could implement very quickly with very little cost. And they would see the benefits in terms of profit very quickly. So that means there are big sectors with lots of very easily replaceable people that are going to take potentially a hit. Which brings us to our next question. What percentage of the workforce would have to lose their jobs for the welfare system in a country to collapse?
It's a complex question and depends a lot on the country's specific welfare system, economy, and social safety nets. Generally speaking, if around 20 to 25% of the workforce were to lose their jobs without redistribution, it could put a major strain on welfare systems. That percentage can vary, but once you get into that range, it can really challenge the system's ability to support everyone.
And at what point could we expect that system to begin to collapse?
The tipping point can really vary depending on how robust a country's welfare system is. If about 20 to 25% of the workforce suddenly lost their jobs, most welfare systems would start facing serious issues and could begin to collapse.
Oh, finally, could begin to collapse. So that's 20 to 25%. That means you can keep your job, and so can two other people in every four. If only one in four people get replaced, we're in deep. If you think you might be that one in every four, then you can click this video and see what you may be able to do about it.